Hello there. This video explains how to replace the headlamp bulb in a Nissan Micra K11. That's the one that looks like this. Now, I don't own a car like this myself, so I've had to borrow one from a family member who was just about to arrive home and find her car's missing. Oh dear. I'm sure she doesn't mind really. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, here's how to replace the headlight bulb on a Nissan Micra K11. We're working here on the right side of the car. To get started, open the bonnet and look at the back of the headlamp for this electrical connector. To remove it, squeeze both sides, then pull. Now, remove this rubber dust cover. You can just pull it off. Visible now is this silver clip that holds the headlight bulb in position. To remove it, push the clip inwards, slide it to the side, then let it fold downwards. Now, remove the bulb. Next, find a replacement headlight bulb of the correct type. For this particular car that we're using in this video, that's an H4. That's H for hotel. Now, it's likely as not that your car needs the same type of bulb, but check the owner's manual to be sure. Alternatively, have a look at the blown bulb for a model number. Okay, to fit a new headlight bulb on a Nissan Micra K11, note that this single pin on its back goes at the top. The two lower pins go at the bottom. Furthermore, try not to touch the glass. Only handle the bulb at its rear. So, push the bulb into the headlamp. And replace the silver clip. Now, attach the dust cover. And reconnect the electrical cable. Finally, switch on the headlamps to confirm the bulb is working. Okay, we have a few final points to consider. The Nissan Micra K11 technical manual says disconnect the battery before you replace a headlamp bulb. Now, I don't know many people who take that extra step, but of course it's up to you what you do. Bear this in mind though, if you do disconnect the battery, you might have to enter a code before the radio will work again. Do you have that code? If, therefore, you do disconnect the battery, it might be worth getting a memory saver that retains the car's settings. How they work is beyond the remit of this video, but at least you know they exist. And that's it. That's how to replace a headlight bulb on a Nissan Micra K11. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're told when I release it, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. Oh dear. The owner of the car I borrowed has tracked me down and does not look happy. I'm off.